Welcome to HVAC Startup Technicians, and today we're doing a mini split, as you can see. So I just wanted to talk about the wiring and how you wire this unit. So first, let's look at our line voltage, which is our power, and we have, as you can see, L1, L2, and our ground, which is very simple. So, and that actually goes to our disconnect, which I will tell you how to wire up your disconnect. This is also your communication wire. You have S1, S2, and S3. Got to make sure that this is connected the same to your indoor unit. So the unit that you have inside here, inside your building, got to make sure that these wires are connected. Let me go at look at the disconnect, which is these wires we just done, and I will explain to you how to wire up the disconnect, because it is very important. Every technician should really know how to wire up this disconnect. So we're almost done. As you can see, this is our compressor here, already came in wrap, and this is a Mitsubishi unit. So this is our board up here, and let's talk about our disconnect, which is these wires here, L1, L2, L3, and ground. So let's go to our disconnect panel. So we are at our disconnect panel. This light is bright out here, and this is our voltage coming in here. It's our line. So we see the line voltage is always the voltage coming in, and this is our load here, and our power. This is the what connect to the unit. So it's very important. So we connect red here, load here, and we connect ground. So, and this will be the same for any disconnect you're doing. You have your power coming in and your power going out to the load side. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to comment and subscribe, and I'll see you on our next video. Bye.